For example 6, we're going to first condense our logs into a single log, and then we're going to rewrite exponentially and solve. So I have two logs that are being added together that have the same base. The base is 10, which means I can turn multiplication or addition into multiplication. So we're going to rewrite the word log just one time. And then we're going to multiply x times x plus 3. The base of log is just 10. If nothing's written there, it's base 10. And now you're ready to rewrite. Rewrite this exponentially. 10 to the first equals x times x plus 3. And we're going to distribute. We get x squared plus 3x. And then I'm going to solve by factoring because it's quadratic. So I'll subtract 10 from both sides and then factor. And factors of negative 10 that add to positive 3 will be plus 5 and minus 2. And our two answers are going to be x is equal to negative 5 and x is equal to 2. So you're going to substitute in. Make sure you start by substituting into the original problem and then trying to clean it up. So we have log of negative 5 plus log of negative 5 plus 3 is equal to 1. And I fail already because you can't take the log of a negative, so the negative 5 is an extraneous solution. Then we can go ahead and test out the 2. And then you can just put it in your calculator, or you can continue to clean it up by hand. If I just do this by hand, and double check, log of 2 plus log of 5 is log of 2 times 5, which is 10. And log base 10 of 10 is equal to 1. So the 2 checks out. Whoa, that's a crazy box. The 2 checks out and is a solution. Or you could just probably put this in your calculator real quickly and see if you get 1 as an answer. All right, let's go ahead and do the next one. We have addition once again, just another problem of doing basically the same thing. We have addition, and we're going to change addition to multiplication. Usually when I solve a problem like this, I actually write the base 10 in, and that's just so I can rewrite it exponentially a little bit easier. You don't have to write it there if you don't want to. But I like to see it. Then I can write 10 to the first equals x times negative x plus 7. And then we'll go ahead and distribute. I get negative x squared plus 7x. And this time I think I'm going to move everything to the left so I can make my x squared positive. So I'll end up with x squared minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. And we'll go ahead and factor. So we have x and x and 5 and 2. And factors of positive 10 that add to negative 7 means both of these guys are going to be negative. And let's go ahead and solve our factors for 0. And we're going to test our solutions by plugging back into the original. So I have log of 5 plus log of negative 5 plus 7 equals 1. And then you can put this in your calculator if you want to, or you can just solve it by hand. And log of 5 plus log of 2 is going to simplify into log of 5 times 2, which is log of 10. And log base 10 of 10 is equal to 1, so that one checks. So 5 is a solution. And then we'll go ahead and check the 2. So log base 2 plus log of negative 2 plus 7 is equal to 1. We now have log of 2 plus log of 5. And once again, log of 2 plus log of 5 is going to turn into log of 2 times 5, or log of 10. And log base 10 of 10 is definitely equal to 1. So both of these answers check. And if you want to save a little bit of time, you don't have to do the checks by hand. You can just put them into your calculator real quick.